Hey everybody, today's rapid fire question is, what is pre-underwriting? So pre-underwriting is a process where you actually start the loan application process, start the approval process before you even find the house. And what that means is during the pre-approval process, your lender should be asking you for a full loan application, running your credit, asking for all the documents required for that specific loan that you are considering, and then they are going to be underwriting your entire file based on the guidelines for that loan. So for a conventional loan, FHA, VA, USDA, or a jumbo loan specifically, they're going to be underwriting your file before it happens. Now, it's not going to be by an underwriter sometimes. It could be by the loan officer that understands the full guidelines. But in any event, it's going to be pre-underwriting so that they are avoiding and eliminating as many stresses and surprises as possible so that when you go into underwriting after you get ratified, that your loan is going to fly through. That's why a lot of our loans, we get clear to close in about 10 to 12 days is because we pre-underwrote every single file that comes our way. And so by the time that it goes through, we get a conditional approval within 24 hours, sometimes an hour or two, and then it just flies through. And all we're doing is just waiting for the appraisal to be completed, title to be completed, and then also waiting for the seller to actually move out of the house. That's usually the typical story for our buyers. So if you want to get pre-underwritten, make sure that your lender is going to be collecting a full loan application, collecting all the documents, pulling your credit and all that stuff. You want that done, again, because you want to avoid all those surprises near the end. Now, one caveat is you're going to be hearing some folks like throw out terms about your loan is fully underwritten. To be honest, it can't be fully underwritten because if you don't have an appraisal, which is part of the underwriting process, it's not fully underwritten because fully underwritten means that part is cleared. Right? So it's going to be like 99% underwritten. But if, there's an appraisal gap, then you're going to want to find a lender that has an appraisal gap strategy and then fill that gap in so that, your underwriting is completed. So again, just avoid some of those terms or at least be smart about it. When you hear fully underwritten, it's like, wait a minute, how can I be fully underwritten when I haven't found a house and my loan didn't even go through yet? So I think the correct technical term is called pre-underwriting is what we're using it as well. So if you want to look for a lender that's pre-underwriting, we are licensed in 15 states. So, click the link below to get your process started with us if you want to. Also, please subscribe and comment below if you have any questions, if this was helpful for you, and then I'll talk to you again soon. All right, have a good one. Bye.